kapuso ka ng buntaga makijam kita kauban ng Mindanaoan singer and songwriter nga si Marckenny Joshua. Maayong butag Marckenny ug welcome diri sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta ka na and when did you start ba your passion for singing?
I'm doing great. I have family background from musicians. Actually, I come from a very musical family. Pero I don't think it's solely kanang just talent because I would say na I worked very hard to practice my craft. And yeah, kanang not just because not just talent but I would say nga I really worked very hard to every day. I mean, I would play the guitar every day, sing every day, and I would write every now and then just to help me with my craft. So, yeah, a lot of family kanang backgrounds. I grew up kanang listening to music all the time. Also listening to a bands kanang band nga setup being played. So I was kanang babad ko ana nga setting. Pero it was really with me nga to pursue music as a craft. I was able to join Min Pop 2020 and the tone so good. I really just submitted a song that I thought was good. Pero I did not expect that I would win second runner-up. I thought nga taman ako top 10 around sa ba. But then yeah, winning Min Pop 2020 second runner-up really boosted my career in a sense. It jump-started my career kana.
Sir, hisgutan po nato ang kanta nga bag-o lang nimo gi-release. Unsa ba ang istorya likod ani nga kanta?
Inspiration behind Save Me was actually, it's a tribute to my darker days. The times na I was feeling down, I had nobody to talk to. You know, I think everyone has those kind of days na we just don't feel like functioning sometimes. Pero yeah, it was actually it's not about kalang gamaoy ko or whatever. Actually, I was inspired to write that because I felt like I was in a much happier place. I thought that I had better mental health, and then I was just happier in general.
Diri sa Mindanao daghan kay tag mga talented na mga singers. Unsa man ang mga tips na imong pwede ma-share? Hilabi na sa tanan natong mga kapuso nga naga-aspire pod nga mamahimong successful singer ug songwriter.
I think maingon nako for those who want to be more aspiring to be songwriters. I would say just write your music and write it down somewhere, like probably your phone or your notebook. Just write and write. Okay, do not be conscious nga, this is my type of music, I don't think anyone's gonna like it. Eventually someone will like it because there's 7 billion people in the world. Eventually one person will like it, and then just focus on the people that do. Don't focus on the people that don't. Also, a big tip is to just join songwriting workshops. Joining a songwriting workshop changed the way I saw songwriting. I mean, yeah, it's still a form of expression and there is freedom in writing, but there are a couple do's and don'ts, and there is a very subtle craft to songwriting, and I think that joining a songwriting workshop is definitely gonna help you in that sense.
Alang kanimo Sir Marckenny, unsa ba ka importante ang music karong panahona?
Definitely it's very very important. I mean I think all of us are aware, if not kanang at least very very small awareness nga. We all listen to music, and music is everywhere, even advertisements, even sa TV, even when we kanang mga jeepney rides na to, there is radio, there is a radio, there's music everywhere. I mean, especially current the pandemic, especially personally for me kay when I would have hard times, especially sa akong mental health, I would always kanang go to music. When I don't understand how I'm feeling, I would go to music. I would listen to music. So
Siyempre sir, pwede ba ka magpahapya og sample sa imong bago lang na gi-release nga kanta?
Is anybody out there? I need someone to notice me. I need someone to tell me everything. Oh yeah, everything is gonna be okay. You with a funny looking hat there. Is something wrong with my face? Do I look like a big disgrace? Is it just the way that I feel? 'Cause oh, it feels so real. Oh, I just need a helping hand to get back on my feet. Oh, save me. Please save me. Save me from this misery. Save me from my enemy. Save me from myself.
Yeah, I would always love to thank my fans, my supporters. Yeah. Even though there are definitely times when I feel like giving up, but then reading comments from my fans, from my supporters, that has really helped me push through, especially in these times. Yeah, I would also like to thank my family. Also, of course, Min Pop. Thank you so much for helping me with my with the whole Mindanao music, helping Mindanao music kanang grow good as a whole. Also, I would like to invite you. I would like to ask you guys to listen to my song. If you have any problem, if you have troubles, especially with your mental health, especially since this month is Mental Health Awareness Month, I would like to voice out that you are not alone in this battle. Stream Save Me on Spotify, YouTube Music, Apple Music, and Deezer. Also on all social medias that's at _ MARCKENNY. I have a Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, also music, also Facebook. That's Marckenny Music. Also have YouTube. Just search my name, MARCKENNY. I'm on YouTube, Spotify, Deezer, and Apple Music. Thank you.
Dagang salamat, Sir Marckenny. We wish you all the best po. Stay safe.
Thank you so much, Attorney Resi, for inviting me here at Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.